Welcome to Pioneer's Knowledge Hub.
Lightning and thunder are natural phenomena that occur during thunderstorms. Thunderstorms are intense weather events characterized by lightning, thunder, heavy rain, strong winds, and sometimes hail. Lightning and thunder are closely related and are the result of the same underlying processes. Lightning. Lightning is a sudden and powerful electrostatic discharge that occurs between clouds, within clouds, or between the ground and clouds. It is caused by the separation of electric charges within a thunderstorm cloud. Here's how the process works. Charge separation. As a thunderstorm cloud forms, ice crystals and water droplets inside the cloud collide and interact, leading to the separation of positive and negative charges. Positive charges accumulate at the top of the cloud, while negative charges accumulate at the bottom. Leader formation. When the electric field becomes strong enough, a step-like discharge called a leader forms. The leader is a channel of ionized air that moves towards the ground in a series of rapid steps. Return stroke. When the leader approaches the ground, a discharge of electricity called a return stroke travels rapidly back along the ionized channel. This is the bright flash of lightning that we see. Multiple strokes. Sometimes, there can be multiple return strokes in a single lightning bolt, resulting in a flickering appearance. Thunder. Thunder is the sound produced by the rapid expansion of air that is heated by the intense heat generated by a lightning bolt. When lightning strikes, it superheats the air along its path to temperatures hotter than the surface of the sun. This extreme heat causes the surrounding air to expand explosively, creating a shockwave that radiates outward in all directions. This shockwave is what we hear as thunder. The reason we see lightning before we hear thunder is that light travels much faster than sound. Light travels at approximately 186,000 miles per second, 299,792 kilometers per second, while sound travels at around 1,125 feet per second, 343 meters per second, at room temperature. Lightning safety indoors. When indoors during a thunderstorm, follow these safety guidelines. Stay away from windows. Lightning can travel through windows, so it's best to stay away from them. Avoid using electrical appliances. Refrain from using electrical appliances, landline phones, and plumbing during a thunderstorm, as lightning can travel through wiring and pipes. Unplug electronics. Unplug sensitive electronics and appliances to protect them from power surges that can occur with lightning strikes. Stay off corded phones. Using corded phones during a thunderstorm can be dangerous, as the electrical currents can travel through the phone lines. Avoid water. Water is a good conductor of electricity, so avoid bathing, showering, doing dishes, or using taps during a thunderstorm. Stay indoors. If possible, stay inside until the thunderstorm has passed and you no longer hear thunder. Thunder safety outdoors. If you find yourself caught outdoors during a thunderstorm, take the following precautions. Seek shelter. Find a sturdy building or a hard-topped metal vehicle, such as a car, to seek shelter in. Avoid open areas, tall objects, and bodies of water. Avoid isolated trees. Standing under isolated trees increases the risk of being struck by lightning. Crouch low. If no shelter is available, crouch down on the balls of your feet to minimize your contact with the ground. Keep your feet close together and your hands covering your ears to reduce acoustic trauma from the thunder. Stay away from metal. Avoid contact with metal objects like fences, poles, and equipment, as they can conduct electricity. Stay away from water. Bodies of water, including lakes, rivers, and pools, are dangerous during thunderstorms due to their conductivity. Get out of the water as soon as you hear thunder. Types of lightning. There are several types of lightning, each with its own characteristics. Intra-cloud lightning. This type of lightning occurs within a single thundercloud and is the most common type. It often appears as flashes of light within the cloud. Cloud-to-ground lightning. This is the most well-known type of lightning. It occurs when a discharge travels from the thundercloud to the ground. It can strike directly or indirectly, using paths such as tree branches, buildings, or even people. Cloud-to-cloud lightning. Lightning discharges can occur between different parts of the same cloud or between different clouds. This type of lightning can sometimes create intricate patterns in the sky. Sheet lightning. This occurs when lightning is obscured by clouds, making it look like a diffuse illumination or a sheet of light in the sky. Ball lightning. A rare and mysterious phenomenon, ball lightning appears as a glowing sphere that moves through the air. It's not fully understood and can last for several seconds. Positive lightning. Most lightning is negative in polarity, with the discharge moving from the cloud to the ground. Positive lightning, on the other hand, originates in the positively charged upper regions of the thundercloud and strikes the ground. Positive lightning is often more powerful and can travel longer distances. Interesting lightning facts. The Empire State Building in New York City is often struck by lightning multiple times during a single year due to its height and location. The temperature of a lightning bolt can be around 30,000 degrees Celsius, 54,000 degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than the surface of the sun. Thunder is not directly caused by lightning. Instead, it's the result of the shock wave created by rapidly expanding air. The average lightning bolt is about 3 miles, 5 kilometers, long. Lightning can have various colors, including blue, red, purple, and white, depending on factors like atmospheric conditions and the types of gases present. Conclusion. Lightning and thunder are awe-inspiring natural phenomena that can be both fascinating and hazardous. Understanding the science behind them and taking appropriate safety measures can help you stay safe during thunderstorms. Always prioritize your safety by seeking shelter and following recommended guidelines when thunder and lightning are present. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.